Hey everybody, it's Jamie here and welcome to the Southampton Harbour Hotel and Spa. We're going to head on up to the HarBAR on 6 restaurant to review their brand new menu, and then we're going to hot foot it back down to our room to try out something called a hang out for drinks service, which essentially is a mobile cocktail trolley serving classics such as Negronis, martinis. Before all of that, however, I'm going to show you around our suite with its marina view. It's gorgeous. And this is the restaurant side of HarBAR. Glass windows all around, really good views during the daytime. Here we are at the HarBAR on 6, the restaurant. Here's a quick peek at the menu. Looks good actually. I think I am going to start with the Korean fried cauliflower and then move to the chicken gnocchi, wild mushroom, pancetta and parmesan. And I meant to say there's lots of gluten-free options, vegan options as well. Good choice. Very fortunate to have just been gifted a few bubbles. Thank you, General Manager. We've gone with the Sauvignon Blanc, lamb-made, Marlborough, New Zealand. It's very good as well. Like notes of passion fruit, nice and long, crisp, yum. Chin chin. Okay, so here we go with our starters. We have chicken and pistachio terrine served on sourdough with a tarragon mayonnaise. Looks amazing. And I've gone for the Korean fried cauliflower, which has Asian slaw, sweet chili dressing and toasted sesame. Okay, so the cauliflower is definitely a winner. Really lovely coating, spicy as well, very flavoursome. I like it a lot actually. Right, I think an empty plate speaks for itself. The chicken and pistachio terrine, which is not ordinarily something either of us would ever order, is delicious. The chicken is really moist and tender. The tarragon mayo is amazing. Very good. There you go. Devoured. Really good start. Pleasantly surprised, I think. Okay, and we have the burger, which is served with cheese and guacamole. And what kind of mayo is it? Maple mustard. And some beer battered onion rings, because you can't have a burger and fries without them. And this dish I am very excited about. It's chicken, gnocchi, wild mushroom, pancetta and parmesan. It looks amazing and it smells delicious. Real test is whether when you bite into this onion ring, beer battered, will the onion come sliding out or not? Ready? No. Oh my god, that's actually really, really good.
It means it's a good onion.
That's amazing. Right, time to try the gnocchi, which smells delicious. Oh wow. That's creamy, lovely hit of pancetta, quite smoky, cheesy, absolutely delicious actually. Very impressed with that. Right, and there you go, that was our meal at HarBAR on 6. I have to say, I am really pleasantly surprised. There's been quite a number of occasions when I've had the opportunity to eat there, and I don't know why, but the menus never struck me as being very interesting. Okay, so I'm wrong. The meal on the whole was excellent. The service was really attentive, professional, approachable as well. The meal came to £95 for 2 of us. That was for 2 courses, 2 sides, and a really good bottle of Sauvignon Blanc. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. And as if we haven't had enough to drink, it is time for Hang Out for Drinks. So I have no idea how this works. Traveling cocktail trolley or something. I'm going to show you how to order your drinks from your room, and let's see what happens. Right, so to order for Hang Out for Drinks, I need to call the HarBAR on number 4082. I have a phone here to hand. 4082. Oh, good evening. I'm just wondering if I could order a couple cocktails for room 403. Yeah, could we please order 2 Negronis? No, that's all, thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Oh my god, excitement. Right, so according to this, it says, after placing your order for a trolley service, simply hang out on your door to help flag down a trolley. Okay, I'm on my way. Right. Oh, sugar. Right, let's try that again. Too much wine. Okay. We're here, we're waiting, we're ready. We'll see you soon. I feel like I want to go and hunt, see if anyone's around. Hello? Hello, has anybody seen a cocktail trolley? Anybody? Hello? In the meantime, however, there is complimentary sherry and gin to be had in your room. Sherry to start with, I think. Can't say I am much of a sherry drinker, if I'm honest with you, but... Oh god, let's have a go. How much do you have in one go? Cheers. Oh, wow. I think there might be a reason I don't drink sherry. Whew. Right, lady has arrived with our Negronis. It's taken an hour and 10 minutes, so and a couple calls as well. They better be good. Okay, proof is in the pudding. That is a good Negroni. No trolley arrived, hour and 10 minute wait. I think we need a little bit of work there, but it is a good Negroni, I'll give them that. And good morning, bit of a fuzzy head this morning. So, in summary, the Southampton Harbour Hotel and Spa Love the rooms as always, really clean, spacious, bright. We had an amazing balcony, as you could see, with gorgeous marina view. Dinner at the HarBAR on 6, pleasantly surprised. Really enjoyed the service up there, and I think we both agreed we would definitely be back. It's one of our favourite places we've actually eaten in 2020. Highly recommend the chicken with gnocchi, and also the Marlborough lamb-made Sauvignon Blanc was stunning. We'll be having that one again. We were also really impressed with the service, from the check-in to one of the managers who came to our room with a thank you card and a few little chocolates, a really nice touch. Up to the HarBAR on 6, where the service, as I've said, was superb. Breakfast this morning as well. I didn't film that because we were reviewing dinner last night, but actually there is a new breakfast menu which is really good. I'm going to pop a picture at the end of this just so you can see what our breakfast did look like. The service up there is so nice in the mornings. We actually know a few of the staff who work there now, and they always remember the conversations we've had, and they're always really inquisitive, really friendly, really approachable. So yeah, for me, breakfast is a real winner at the hotel as well. The mobile cocktail trolley service, okay, needs a little bit of work. So as you know, I was really looking forward to that, and after a couple phone calls and an hour and 10-minute wait, our Negronis did arrive. They were served to us on a tray, so didn't quite get the whole trolley experience I was looking forward to. Perhaps I was just really busy, but I'm hoping the next time we come back we will actually get the full experience. Thank you as always for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please do like, please do subscribe as well, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.